Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh man, cut through it. What is this? We have some steaks. Is the 10? Yeah, 10 steaks. And then a few of these clips here. And some string. This is to tie down inflatables, which at the time of this recording, it's New Year's, so I don't have any inflatables out, but yeah. And when it's Christmas or Thanksgiving and I have inflatables, I can use this. Some extra ones just in case I lose them. And yeah, if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.